Hello and welcome! Today I'll be making these two cute scarecrows. Take a rolled out ball of tan colored clay and flatten it. I'm using this tool that has a textured surface on the roller. If you don't have this tool, that's okay. It doesn't need to have texture. It'll be just as cute without it. And then texture the ball. If you have a round-ended tool, place the flat piece of clay on it and then the ball on top. This will just make it so that we don't touch the clay as much over the next few steps. Take a ball of dark brown clay and flatten it. Add texture. Roll out a piece of tan colored clay until it is long and thin, and then chop off equal length sections. This will be the straw for the hat. Flip the bottom of your hat over so that the texture side is facing down. Add on your straw pieces. Just randomly place them on there. I do overlap a few of them. You'll want to go all the way around the rim of the hat. Hit that subscribe button. It would be appreciated. Thank you. Roll out a dark brown piece of clay. And then add texture. Attach this to the rim of the hat. Roll out a piece of orange clay and then wrap this around the hat. Cut off any excess clay and attach the two pieces together. Do the same around the bottom of the scarecrow head. Using that same rolled out orange clay, cut off two equal sections and then roll them out. And then make them into a loop. And then place this at the base of the head. Cut off two more pieces of orange clay. And then roll them out. Place these below the loops. Roll out 5 balls of yellow clay, and then place these on the rim of the hat. Roll out a ball of brown clay and place this in the middle. Place the hat on top of the scarecrow head and position it however you would like. You can retexture anything that you would like at this point that may have been smudged up. I smudged up, guys. Place on your eyes, nose, and mouth. Pre-poke your eye hook holes and add in your eye hooks. Bake your scarecrows. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pieces. Assemble your earrings however you want. I don't know if these will scare anybody, but they sure are cute. Just a few more days left until Halloween. If you haven't had a chance to watch all of my videos, I did make 31 videos for the month of October. Please check out my channel and all the haunted fun I had this month. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!